Hey guys, so we're over at the customer's facility running it. Obviously this system doesn't have the closing conveyor and it doesn't have the 10-inch height opening, so we're currently just going to run the half quarts. So just so you guys can see how this machine runs. Obviously with your system, the tunnel would be butted up against the sealer, and obviously we'll be able to adjust it accordingly, but everything came out and this was running at 50% capacity. So you'd easily get 30 to 35 pieces per minute.